Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nika. If you're new, thank you for clicking onto this video. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for kicking it with me. I really appreciate you all. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these jumbo spring twists. I was going to say passion twist. If you guys would like to see how I get that done, keep on watching. And if you guys would like to see how I did this fall eyeshadow look, the link will be in the iCards or down in the description down below, so you guys can check that out. And yeah, if you guys would like to see how I created these, as I said, keep on watching. The information for this here will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And guys, I don't think I've been saying this, but follow me on Instagram. It is nika.j. It will be down here, or it'll be appearing here. It's Nika, NEIKHA.JAY. Anyways, guys, let's get into the video. So this, like every other time, I have here that I'm going to be using. These are left over here that I had from my first spring twist video that I posted. So yeah, I'm going to use these to do my hair. So first things first is I'm going to unravel this strand. Use my comb to detangle. Make sure that the hair is detangled properly. Then I'm going to go into my, I'm not showing you guys. I'm going to go into my argan oil to put by my base. After I'm done, I'm just going to comb the hair again, and I'm going to go in with my smaller rat tail comb and smooth the edge control through. Once I'm finished, I'm going to split my hair into 3 subsections. So 3, and I'm going to 3 strand plait. I call it plait in Jamaica, but I think you guys would call it braid. So I'm gonna just start to braid my hair. Once I have it to the desired length, I'm gonna go in with my Eco Style and saturate the rest of the hair, just so it can blend well with the spring twists. So now that we have the hair saturated, I'm gonna go in and take my 3 strand of hair up, and I use 3 strands so it can be full and thick. So I'm gonna go in, take the strand of hair, do this to each side, then go in with my fingers and separate. And I'm separating just so the hair is fuller and more fluffy. And you should have something looking like this. Now I'm going to do that to the other 2 strands of hair and be right back. Okay guys, now that I'm finished fluffing, you should have something looking like this. Very full, very thick. So you should have something looking like this. Now I'm going to go in and take my hook, and I'm pushing it from the front here and out the back. Hook up. I'm going to take a short end of my hair and wrap it around my finger. Then hook it. Hopefully you guys are seeing. Hook it. Close the latch and pull it through. Pull it through. When you pull it through, now you should have, you try to get it as even as possible. So I'm trying to get it as even as I can possibly get it. Okay, now separating the hair into the sections that they were, I'm going to put my natural hair on one side and start rope twisting. If you don't know what rope twisting is, it's basically Senegalese twisting, where you roll the hair together and you twist. Now when I've passed where I've braided, I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into two like this and continue to twist all the way down. Once I start getting closer to the end now, I'm going to go in with my comb and just comb the hair through like this. Do the same thing on the other side and continue twisting, but then I'm going to grab some gel, a small amount. Once I'm finished, we don't want this on there, so I'm going to go ahead and snip it off just like that, and you should have a twist looking something like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this last section here. Okay guys, and you should have some braids looking something like this. If you did not fully understand the step that I just showed you, you can watch my passion twist video. It will be linked in the iCard. It's the same exact step, but I think I went into more details. So yeah, you guys can watch that, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, drop me a comment, and click that red subscribe button along with the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.